Hi, if you want to enable or disable developer options on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, then as a first step, you need to find and open Settings on the phone, and from here, choose this last tab About Phone. Now what you need to do is tap 7 times on this build number to enable developer options. Let's try this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after that, draw unlock pattern or enter PIN code or password, and you'll receive this notification that now you are a developer. To check this, find the step system and updates, and now you should see this additional tab developer options. So from here you can adjust many settings. For example, you can find power saving mode here, also screen lock. You can also tap on memory and check average memory use. From here you got many other options as USB debugging, for example, or automatic system updates. To disable any option, just tap on the switcher so it will become gray. To enable, tap the switcher so it will become blue. But please note that some options in developer options may affect the operation of the device, so be careful when changing them. And you can also restore default settings from here. And if you would like to disable developer options at all, then just tap on the switcher like that, and it will disappear from System and Updates tab. And when you'll need it again, you'll need to go back in About Phone tab and tap 7 times on build number. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.